Okay, I've just used Snatch to record this video of a game. I'm going to use my usual player just so that you can see. That's me actually setting it up. So yeah, there you go. That's Snatch having recorded that audio. So that MKV file. So what we need to do now is, because I'm going to put this into a video editor, I need to change the format. So all I have to do is go to MKV to MP4. The reason I have to do that is because my particular video editor just won't do that. So I want that one, which is this one here. Just select open. Yep, that's what we want to do. And you'll see a little bit like a timer. It's just a timer to show that something is being done. Yeah, you probably heard my cat in the background. So once that's been converted, then I'm able to import it into the video editor. Now this doesn't take too many minutes, at least I hope not. There you go, as simple as that. It's created the file conversion complete. There you go. It's really a packet. That's what it actually is. Now I'm actually recording this one, so I'll have to do this one, and then obviously you'll be watching the video. But that's how you do the conversion. And as I said, for the program that I use, it's called the OpenShot Video Editor. Very simple to use, free of charge. You can get that, I believe it's on I can't think where I got it from now, but it's on the internet. You'll be able to find it, and as I say, it's free, so definitely get it if you can. Okay, I'll stop.
All you need is Maureen, 118212. Maureen, 118-212.
Okay, Snatch should be running at the moment. Fingers crossed, and I should be able to get this. Here we go. Let's see if we can get this fella moving. Here we go. This is just basically testing that Snatch will run the game, record the game, I should say. I'm not actually doing a job or anything like that. It's just randomly driving around. Just randomly driving around.
Says they're trialling a document which will show if you've had a jab or a negative test, but will also rely on things like masks and one-way systems. A committee is apparently concluded that Scotland's first minister misled.
The other thing is, I'm not sure if the webcam is picking up my voice at the same time. In other words, is it synced? That's the only thing. Ooh. Pretty close. And I think what we'll do is just pull over somewhere. Let me see a service station. There should be one coming up shortly, I'm sure. I've not got the fastest truck in the world, that's for sure. and that speedometer there is a rather large size one, and I had to make that myself because I just can't see properly. My eyes are not very good, and I certainly can't see the speedometer.
Caution. Please mind the speed limit.
Ooh, slow down. I know I'm in the centre lane. I've got Snatch radio playing at the moment as well, so that's sort of just sitting in the background, not doing a lot. But I just wanted to test Snatch within a game environment because that's what I built it for. That was its purpose. I've had so many other setups before, and they were so complicated, and you even had to pay.
Please mind the speed.
Yeah, he keeps telling me off for speeding. We should be alright. Services, here we go, in a mile. I'll just get into these services and then...
Caution. Please mind the speed limit. Caution. Please mind the speed limit.
Oh, alright, fella.
First Minister Nicola Sturgeon. Why? Well, because a committee has reportedly concluded that the First Minister misled Parliament, and if that were ever to be established...
There's these services. Come on.
Petitions to obey the Minister and to silence all linked to evidence she's given about a meeting with her...
Well, look, it's not raining because there's always raining every time I get on this game. I don't know what it is. Maybe they know.
Sturgeon's position as First Minister is under threat.
Straight on.
Has now been decided by the harassment
I've got the blasted sun in my eye at the moment.
evidence around meetings with Alex Salmond, boss and former friend. For 30 years, that friendship was completely destroyed by this saga. The government's internal investigation.
Right. Can move over. Oh.
Is beginning to wrap up its work after meeting.
Right, that's the first pause I've seen. Here we go, we've got some... Let's slow him down a bit.
Last night, the committee gave Nicola Sturgeon that damning verdict in a vote that went on
Caution.
party line.
Please mind the speed limit.
Yeah, alright, fella.
Had something to say about that when she was questioned.
Now we're practically stopped.
First thing to say is I stand by all of the evidence I gave to the committee, all 8 hours worth of evidence. I mean, what's been clear is that opposition members of this
Here we go.
committee made their minds up about me before I uttered a single word of evidence. Comments have made that clear. So this leak from the committee, very partisan leak tonight.
There we go.
before they've
Let's fill this fella up.
is not that surprising.
Now, this decision from the committee has landed Nicola Sturgeon in a very difficult position, but we actually haven't seen the final.
There we go, we're
yet.
filling it
It's
up.
out on Tuesday morning. We understand that the panel left out a key word in its ruling last night as to whether
Okay.
Nicola Sturgeon misled Parliament. And
Let
that
it
word
fill up.
is knowingly.
And I'll
that
jump out
changes
the cab.
things As they refused to commit to accusing the First Minister of
There we
deliberately
go.
telling
There we go
false
to
lies
this one.
and it all boils
We
down
can
to
now
one thing. Inside
have a
Nicola
look
Sturgeon's
outside
with Alex Salmond on the 2nd of April
our cab.
2018. That's the date that she says when
There
she
it is.
learned of
There's
the
my
allegations
fox.
her predecessor was facing. The First Minister said in her written submission to the committee that she told Mr Salmond that she had no role in the government's investigation process and that she would not seek to intervene. But a
There we
conflicting
go.
account from the former First Minister's camp says mediation was
Let's take a picture.
Sturgeon said at that April
There we
meeting
go.
when it came to it, she would
And I
not
think
before she
that'll
saw
do for the game, so
that
we'll
is the
come
decision
out.
that there was a misleading of Parliament, and opposition parties are now ramping up the pressure. We've heard this morning from the Labour leader Sir Keir Starmer on his
Yeah,
visit
we've got to
to
get in
Glasgow.
here.
He
Right, we've got to
stopped
press.
short of calling for Nicola Sturgeon to step down. However, the Scottish Tory leader Douglas Ross
Okay,
says she should
and now
go.
we can
It's the
press.
duty of Scotland's opposition to hold the government accountable. That's
Here
what
we
Scottish
go.
Conservatives have done through
And we'll
this
just
whole sorry affair,
stop
which is
that.
so badly
So we've done
affecting women who
going
come
by
forward.
this
We've called out
nearly
First